got in at 2 AM last night and went straight to bed. And now, we don't even know where we are.
We woke up at 6:30.
Yeah.
And we're like, where are we?
Yeah. We haven't even seen outside yet. We're doing first reaction to the street. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. Okay, which way do we walk? That way?
Yeah.
I reckon this way. Tuk-tuk reveal. Not our tuk-tuk. We got really lucky because it's a Sunday today. There was a Sunday market on and we saw so many fruits, veg. It's very local. I felt like I was intruding a little bit. And now we're waiting for our driver. Breakfast! Our tuk-tuk. And we're going to get brekkie. We got some bat action going on here. Their wings are so big. This is our eco lodge. Yes. There's so much room in here.
So bed, yeah.
We can do stretches on the floor.
This is like an alright floor to do some stretches.
Yeah.
We've just been in like an 8-hour car ride.
And the thing is, we can't see the view out there right now, but we've seen the photos obviously, and we've seen the vibes here. So far we love it, but we can't see. And tomorrow we're gonna have to wake up in the morning and it will all be revealed. Wow.
And then I can like have a cup of tea out there. Perfect. And then I can like journal.
Perfect. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry having
I know.
Wait, oh my god, bathroom view.
Oh yeah, we can
Quickly.
I can see the view.
Wow. Oh my god. And this is our bed. I didn't even show you the front.
It's a doona.
Oh my god, doona. We didn't have a doona last night and we were kind of sad about it, so. Some papaya.
You let me know.
Yum.
Really just every fruit.
Every fruit
in this region.
Yes. Mango. Mango. Yum. We're just walking on the train track. We're on our way to yoga, which is exciting. We've got a class that starts at 9. And yeah. We'll keep you updated. Back in the tuk-tuk.
Update. We did our hatha yoga class.
Feeling so chakra.
She's feeling so chakra laka. It was 90 minutes long.
It was a good class.
Yeah.
I enjoyed.
Yeah.
We are at the 9 Arch Bridge.
The 9 Arch. Wow.
Apparently the train's coming. Pretty cool.
Pretty spectacular.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Kind of looks cool to hang out on, not gonna lie. Like the people hanging out look really awesome. It's great for them. Yummy. Very nourishing from Cinder. ketchup flavoured Pringles. We've been to the shops.
Yep.
And we've got a bit of a haul for you.
I got a hat.
Cindy got a new hat. First off, I got this fridge magnet. I also got these Chupa Chups, which like missed this from my childhood, so we're gonna give them a try. Most importantly, these TP chips, crispy sticks barbecue flavour.
Okay. Okay, cheers.
Oh, it was.
Tingly. Oh, spicy. It's good, but it's just like, it's not worth the extra crunch.
Oh.
Rating out of 10.
I like them. The first bite is a bit odd,
Good texture.
but then the flavour, flavour is yummy. I like these.
I'll give it a 6.5. What would you give it?
8.5.
Wow.
TP chips.
There you go.
Get on them. Back on the train tracks.
Yeah.
As you can see. We went for a lovely lunch and the D's won, so that's important.
Yeah.
Spirits were lifted. And then we went for a massage to calm our nervous system down after a very tight football game.
Amazing. Like, the best massage I've had in a while.
It was a very good massage. And then we went and got some ice cream.
Ice creams.
So it's really just been a whole big great day.
Yeah.
It's kind of giving self-care. Yoga, massage, ice cream.
9 Arches Bridge. Wow.
Sightseeing.
And we're going to a monastery tonight because it looks really pretty on the drive here.
Loki's scared for our lives right now. We almost died today.
Oh my gosh, so we went on this like tuk-tuk that we called them Pick Me, the like Grab app. And then it came.
So much happened in one tuk-tuk ride.
But this guy before when he's 2 minutes away, parked up in front of us and was like, come tuk-tuk with us. And we were like, no, we've got one on here.
It's like ordering on Uber, like you've ordered it. The guy that had pulled up next to us was like claiming that we were his tourists. And he was like getting really angry at the guy that picked us up. And we were like, we told you we had it organised.
They kind of own the area, those local ones.
Yeah.
And then, oh my God, we got in and the guy stepped in front of our tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
And like was like, and then the guy was like driving into him and it was just like.
And he was trying to pull the keys out of the tuk-tuk.
And he bent over and he was like trying to pull the keys. I thought they were going to start punching each other.
Yeah.
And all the other people in the street were coming.
Yeah. Yeah, we couldn't even understand what they were saying, which was sad because I would have loved to know the ins and outs of this dynamic they have in the town.
Yeah, and then we stopped at his house, at his
We had
home.
to pull in at his house. He was like speeding, like gunning through the streets, overtaking everyone, like throwing this tuk-tuk around. Yeah. We were like, oh God.
While on the phone.
And it was like he'd like made a getaway. And then we pull into his house and he's like, wait here. And he goes and gets this other tuk-tuk and we do a changeover of the cars, of the vehicles. We changed from green to red tuk-tuk. And then after that, he was like a lot more chill with the driver. He wasn't like just rushing.
Still, we almost died.
Yeah.
Well, our tuk-tuk almost tipped over into a wall, but luckily he just did a bit of a...
Oh my God, no, we almost drove straight into a wall. Like imagine if there was a cliff there.
It rocked. It like like we were driving along a cliff, like a windy road, and he was just like...
Going so fast and avoiding all these potholes like...
Very. It was really weird.
It was crazy.
Anyway, and then we went to the monastery.
And then on the way home, we had the most lovely, safe, informative tuk-tuk driver.
Tuk-tuk driver, which is great.
And he was so nice. And he, oh my God, do you still have the peppers? He was pointing out so many things to us on the way home. And he also picked this off the tree for us.
Pepper tree, and it's pepper in there.
You can eat them. We've eaten some already.
We've seen so many cool trees today, like papaya tree, saw like a baboon in the tree, I think.
A baboon.
Something. So
there you go.
There we
Fresh
go.
off the tree.
Fresh off the tree.
Probably worth a bit of Coles.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Organic, freshly grown, pesticide-free peppers. $99.
$99 at the boat shed. We are at Little Adams Peak.
Begun very hard hike.
Yeah.
This is a 20-minute hike.
So pretty, you guys. just got some baskets and we're gonna go pick some tea leaves. Wow, look at that view. I'm learning so much about tea.
The harvest
Yeah.
black tea.
It takes 4 years just to prepare the land to plant a tea tree.
Pressure, you got pressure here.
Come with us to pick tea leaves. Wow.
You can smell the citrus in it, yeah.
So we've got some samosas.
Smells so good. Yeah, you got a dip. That one looks better.
That's actually really yummy.
Yeah.
Some vegetable chop suey. It's so good, guys.
I've got some dal and a coconut roti and a samosa. It's like amazing. Yeah, we're doing a little vlog.
Okay guys, we finished our cooking class and we have so much food. I covered it with papadums. There's just like a lot going on here.
There's like 6 different curries that we cooked. Oh my god.
Guys, there's like, what's it called? Coconut samba? So good.
It tastes like guacamole.
Yeah. Must be the onion and the tomato.
The onion, tomato,
lime.
and lime. So it's just missing the
Avocado. That's like the primary ingredient. Good coffee.
Got a cappuccino, but I didn't know, like, when you get a cappuccino, you never know if it's like a cappuccino or a cappuccino.
Yeah.
You know?
Mine's good too. I feel like the milk's different here, obviously.
Yeah.
It has a different taste to it. I also got some banana bread.
Raining. Good.
Try some.
Snack noodles or no?
Let's go to the chip aisle. The chips. So many chips. Cheers with my mini tea cup. And so we made it to Tissamaharama, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. We're having trouble pronouncing it, but we're here and we're here for our safari, which isn't until tomorrow.
Yeah. So we've kind of got the afternoon to just kill.
We're in some fields,
Some
currently,
rice fields. We just had lunch at this place that gave us free dessert.
and 2 free teas. Oh, and we're about to come up to the lake. I can see it ahead.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Lake reveal. It's pretty nice. We're a little bit confused about where we are, honestly. Feels like a fever dream. leopard. Update guys, still no signs of a leopard. But we've seen peacocks, elephants, buffaloes, crocodiles, lots of birds, deer, reindeer, Bambis, monkeys. It's actually just quite a nice vibe in this truck though. I'm feeling quite relaxed. These are our binoculars. They're pretty helpful to see things.